Good morning friends. In this lecture I am going to solve property on del applied twice to point function. Let us see the property students. Important property students. Prove that curl f bar that is equal to grad div f bar minus del square f bar over R. He also given another form students, del cross of del cross f bar that is equal to del of del dot f bar minus del square f bar students. As usual we take LHS by applying the formulas. Okay, then we can prove RHS students, RHS. So solution, take LHS students, LHS, del cross of del cross f bar. To prove this property we need to know basic formula students. What students? Basic formulas. What is del f formula students? In notation form, sigma I bar dou f by dou x. Now del dot f bar students, del dot f bar. What is formula students? Sigma I bar dot dou f bar by dou x. Now del cross f bar that is equal to del cross f bar students. Everybody, sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x. What students? Sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x. Okay. Now see students, we have del cross of del cross f bar. Now it is like, see students, it is like del cross of f bar. In f bar plus we have students del cross f bar. So we can write sigma I bar cross dou by dou x of, in place of f bar we have students del cross f bar, Okay students, that is equal to sigma I bar cross dou by dou x of. Now you apply basic formula students, del cross f bar. Okay students, you apply basic formula. What is formula students? I bar cross dou f bar by dou x plus j bar cross dou f bar by dou y plus k bar cross dou f bar by dou z. That is equal to now sigma I bar cross derivative students. So I bar cross dou by dou x of dou f bar by dou x, we get dou square f bar by dou x square, bracket close. Okay students, not bracket close students, plus j bar cross dou by dou x of dou f bar by dou y, so we get here dou square f bar by dou x dou y plus k bar cross dou by dou x of dou f bar by dou z, dou square f bar by dou x dou z, bracket close students. So that is equal to, now apply sigma I bar cross on each term students, on three terms. So we get here sigma I bar cross of I bar cross dou square f bar by dou x square plus tell me here students now, sigma I bar cross of j bar cross dou square f bar by dou x dou y plus sigma I bar cross k bar cross dou square f bar by dou x dou z, that is equal to, now see students here, I bar cross of I bar cross dou square f bar by dou x square. It is like students, it is like, since a bar cross of b bar cross c bar, that is equal to that is equal, what is formula students? That is equal to, what is formula? A bar dot, what students? A bar dot C bar into B bar minus A bar dot B bar into C bar. What is our formula students here? A bar cross of B bar cross C bar, that is equal to A bar dot C bar into B bar into students here minus A bar dot B bar into C bar into C bar. Now here sigma, say this is A, B bar and C students. So A bar dot C bar, that means we get here I bar dot, what is C students here? Dou square F bar by dou x square into I bar minus A bar dot B bar, that means we get here I bar dot I bar into C bar. What is C bar? Dou square F bar by dou x square, bracket close plus sigma. Here also it is A, B and C students. Again A bar dot C bar, we get here I bar dot dou square F bar by dou x dou y into J bar minus A bar dot B bar, that means I bar dot J bar into dou square F bar by dou x dou y bracket close plus here students A, B, C, A bar, B bar, C bar, sigma bracket I bar dot dou square F bar by dou x dou z into K bar minus I bar dot K bar into dou square F bar by dou x dou z, bracket close. Okay students, that is equal to see students, we need to know here the proper order. What is order? I bar, J bar, K bar, and for the I bar we get x, J bar y and K bar z students. We need to know this to expand the summation. So now I want to expand the students. See students, I bar dot I bar dou square F bar by dou x square and I bar students. So if I expand here, what I get here? I bar dot dou square F bar by dou x square into I bar students plus, what is next term students? J bar dot dou square F bar by dou y square into J bar okay students, plus after J students K bar, so K bar dot dou square F bar by dou z square into K bar. We know I bar dot I bar students. What is I bar dot I bar? Value is 1 students. I bar dot I bar value is 1. So we get here minus summation dou square F bar by dou x square. Okay students, summation dou square F bar by dou x square plus, here we have plus students, plus, see students here ij corresponding I students we get x, y corresponding j students, z corresponding k. So I can write here I bar dot dou square F bar by dou x dou y into j bar plus, after I students I get here j bar. So I want to write here j bar dot, okay students, I get here ij, so j K bar. So we get here dou square f bar by, for the y, for the j, y, so dou y, for the k, dou z, plus I j. What is next, students? K bar. So k bar dot, after k, students, again we get here, after k we get again I bar, so I bar. That means we get here dou square f bar by, k means z, dou z, I means dou x, plus now see, students, here I bar dot j bar, students, we know I bar dot j bar, what is value, students? I bar dot j bar value 0, so this value is 0, students, this value is 0. Now see, students, here I k bar, okay, we have x z, I means x, k means z, students, okay. Now he skip here j, students, j, so I bar dot dou square f bar by dou x, dou z into k bar, students, plus after I, students, we get j bar, so j bar dot, I put a bracket here, students, after I immediately I get j, student, but he skip j, so I get k bar, students, j after k, students, so you skip here, students, we get I bar, so I bar. Now here we get, students, here dou square f bar by, j means dou y, I means dou x, plus after j we get, students, k bar, so k bar dot, now after k immediately we get, students, I, so skip, students, we get j bar, that means we get here, students, dou square f bar by, k means dou z, j means dou y, that is equal to, see, students, we have to prove here del dot f bar, okay, students. Now it is like grad of del dot f bar. What is grad definition, students? What is grad definition? Sigma I bar dou by dou x of f, students. What, students? Once again, sigma I bar dou f by dou x. In f place we have, students, del dot f bar, students. Once again, del f, that is equal to sigma I bar dou f by dou x, students, okay. But we have to prove here, students, del, okay, in place of f we have, students, del dot f bar, students, so I want to write here sigma, or no, students, I bar dou by dou x, students, okay, students, see here I bar here, so we can write here dou square f bar by dou x square as dou by dou x, students, so we get here I bar dot dou f bar by dou x, okay, students, this is over. Now see, students, somewhere we have, see, students, here we have, okay, I bar, and taking count dou by dou x, students, we get here plus k bar dot, okay, we get dou f bar by dou z, okay, this one is over. Now see, students, here I bar and again dou by dou x, students, we get now j bar dot dou f bar by dou y, okay, students, plus similarly now you can guess, students, j bar of dou by dou y, students, see, students, j bar dou f by dou y, students, then we get here j bar dot dou f bar by dou y, this is our, students. See another way, see, students, here we have j bar and dou by dou y, students, we get I bar dot dou f by dou x, so plus I bar dot dou f bar by dou x. This one is over. See another way, students. J bar dou by dou y. See students, here we have. So J bar is here, dou by dou y. So we get k bar dot dou f by dou z, students. So k bar dot dou f bar by dou z, bracket close. This one also over, students. Now see the rest of the term, students. Rest of the term plus k bar into dou by dou z. K bar into dou by dou z, students. Come on, tell me now. Here students, k bar dou by dou z. We get, students, k bar dot dou f bar by dou z. K bar dot dou f bar by dou z. Okay, this one is over. Now here, students, k bar dou by dou z. We get j bar dot dou f bar by dou y plus j bar dot dou f bar by dou y. Okay, this one is over. See, students, here k bar dou by dou z, students. We get here dou f bar by dou x. So plus I bar dot dou f bar by dou x, bracket close. Bracket close, students. I want to write here, students, that is equal to see, students, I bar dot dou f bar by dou x plus k bar dot dou f bar by dou z plus j bar dot dou f bar by dou y. Similarly, say order is different, students, but we have here del dot f bar definition, students. Okay, now see, students, here I bar dou by dou x of f, okay, plus j bar dou by dou y of f bar plus k bar dou by dou z of f bar, students. That is in the form, students, in the form. So I can write here, students, it is like del f form, students, del f form. So I can write del. Okay, students, del. Now here we have, students, is like del dot f bar. Okay, students, this definition, students, del dot f bar. Now see, students, we forgot one term here. What is term here, students? Minus sigma dou square f bar by dou x square means this is nothing but del square f bar, students. Del square f bar. Okay, dou square f bar by dou x square plus dou square f bar by dou y square plus dou square f bar by dou z square. That is nothing but del square f bar, students. So simply write here minus del square f bar. Now this is RHS. This is RHS. So therefore del cross of f bar, that is equal to del of del dot f bar minus del square f bar. This is our property, students. Once again, students, he given del cross f bar, that is equal to del of del dot f bar minus del square f bar. To prove this property, we need to know the basic definition, students. If you understand what, students, if you understand the basic definition, the property becomes very, very easy, students. Okay, students, once again, if you understand the basic formulas, this property becomes easy, students, easy. What are the basic formulas, students? Del f, that is equal sigma I bar dou f by dou x. Del dot f bar, students, sigma I bar dot dou f bar by dou x. Del cross, students, del cross f bar means sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x. Okay, students, now we take LHS, del cross f bar. Now I want to write summation function. It is like del cross of f bar. Okay, students, del cross of f bar. It can be written as sigma I bar cross dou f bar by dou x. Sigma I bar cross dou bar dou x. In place of f, I have del cross f bar. Del cross f bar. The first step is very, very important, students. The first step is very, very important in this property. Please remember. And then what I do to students here? Simply write the formula del cross f bar. I write here. And then dou by dou x. And then apply summation on each and every term, students. Thereby apply formula a bar cross of b bar cross c bar. What is formula, students? A bar dot c bar into b bar minus a bar dot b bar into C bar. Okay, I apply formula here, students. Here onwards I observe, see students, the right hand side, it is like del of del dot f bar. What is del, students? What is del? It is grad f. It is grad f. Now if I expand this, what we get here, students? I bar dou by dou x plus j bar dou f by dou y plus k bar dou f by dou z, students. Dou f by dou z. Okay, students. So that I am taking here f bar I bar into dou by dou x. We get this, students. Plus j bar into dou by dou y. We get the same. These two are same. Plus k bar into dou by dou z. Again, these three are same, students. Okay, students. Now, if you observe, this is like in the form, students. So it is like del of del dot f bar minus del cross f bar. By here we get, students. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you understand, students. Please subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.